Alright guys, here we are at my house. We're going to be rebuilding the jumps. I kind of already started building them yesterday, but I was just gonna clear out this and then I was gonna make sure this landing's all good. Yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna start by getting all the weeds out in the middle, just so I can get some extra dirt. Just put them off to the side. And yeah, so I'm going to build that nice and straight, and then I'll finish the landing. Alright guys, for the most part, I got the main area all filled out nice, and then I'm gonna use this extra dirt down here to make sure that this whole jump is a nice clean lip on it. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna start building this lip. Alright guys, well, I kind of got too tired, but this is what it looks like. It's not my best. I still need to pack this side, and this one's a lot better, definitely. But I like this lip better because it's more of like a straight angle and you'll land perfect. And yeah, so that's about it. Thank you guys for watching.